If you guys have watched my other Kinera videos, you guys should know that I'm not a huge fan of this brand, but here I am. Even after not liking the Kinera Non and Kinera Skuld, uh, I was given an opportunity to get my hands on the Kinera Urd, URD. I don't know how to exactly pronounce that, but URD, I believe it's Urd. And let's unbox it and see what are the things we are getting in this nearly $700 IEM. This is fairly expensive at $700, where other EST based IEMs are slightly on the cheaper side. The EST 112, Dunu EST 112 is $500, and Shozi Magma 2 is $500, but the Kinera Urd is fairly expensive at $680, I believe, or a bit more it is. I'm not exactly sure, but doesn't matter what I can tell you is that Kinera makes some of the best looking IEMs. They invest in design. They are more invested in the design kind of area, and this too looks awesome. Let's have a look at the specification. 2 EST, 2 DD, and 1 BA driver, whereas some brands prefer 1 DD, 2 BA, and 2 EST. Nevertheless, this has 1 BA. Maybe that is just for the triple region or the mid range or something like that. Let's see. There has been a lot of controversy around the EST based IEMs. Some say some of the EST are not working and stuff like that. So there are things like that too to consider. So what we are looking at is still waters run deep. Welcome to the lake of Ud. Okay. And she said, whoever will be the chiefest chiefest of future shall be servant of the past. I don't know what that means. Live on for the honor. Live on for the honor. So this is all about the honor. Wood. There's some documentation. Finally, type tips. So that is a very good thing. Finally, type tips fit is always awesome. Let's place that apart. What we are looking at are the accessories here. Silica gel. This is a beautiful looking carry case, carry pouch, or whatever you would like to call. Kinera is paying a lot of attention to this kind of things, and cosmetics and aesthetically these IEMs are very good looking. You can look at the case. This one looks fantastic. Fantastic is the only word that comes to my mind. This, if I have to give marks on the design of a carry case, this one definitely looks like a jewelry case and much more elegant on that front, and that is very good. Some more tips. These are supposed to be the stock ones, I believe. I'm not going to take the final audio tips out because I have some in stock with me. I always have some final audio tips with me. Come on. Or can I take this out? No, I cannot take this out. I'm not exactly sure how to take. This is. Never mind. Let's have a look at the plugs. These have the same kind of technology as FIO and everyone else. 4 pins, balanced. I do not like this kind of struggle, but No, I cannot access it from the back either. So this is the only way to take out the earpieces. Kind of a struggle. Why? I do understand the safety thing here, but is it necessary to do something like this? So beautiful looking earpieces. That's that's not dirt, but that is the design. That's the color of this earpiece, green and brownish color scheme. So come on, this is unreasonable struggle. What can one say? Looks very good. The color of this IEM is fantastic. So let's have a look how to. Okay, so it is just pull and place kind of thing here. So I'll need more light here. You guys see that notch? Align that with the groove here and just push it, and that will be it. So this is the unboxing of Kinera Urd. The cable looks good, the IEM looks good, and the general consensus is this IEM is a very musical kind of sounding IEM. So let's see how this performs against the likes of FIO, FH9 and others. So very good packaging, very good looking IEM. Let's see how this performs. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.